is better than clay. But how did he get such an idea? Such knowledge is exclusive to Allah, who created fire and clay, and who knows which is the better of the two. From the dialogue, Adam realized that Iblis was a creature characterized by cunning and ingratitude. He then knew that Iblis was his eternal enemy. He was greatly astonished at Iblis's audacity and Allah's tolerance. Immediately after his creation, Adam witnessed the large amount of freedom that Allah gives to his commissioned creatures. Allah knew that Iblis was not going to obey him in prostrating before Adam. Allah could have totally annihilated him or turned him into a handful of dust or stifled the refusal in his mouth.